Hello viewers and welcome to my channel once again. And today, nandito kami sa Lobo, Batangas. So this is our third project here in Lobo, pero fourth project na with the client. So this is a construction of a 180 square meter function hall. By the way, ang first project namin ay sa Batangas City. Then ito yung second dito sa Lobo. Ito yung duplex. And ito yung third project. This is the 3-story building. And this is the fourth project. Hindi ko na video yung groundbreaking nito kasi ngayon lang kami nakapunta ulit. And since this is a function hall, wala tong divisions. Yung mga poste naman niya ay I-beam. Then yung mga trusses niya is angle bars. And makikita nyo may flooring na siya. So yung project na to, konting masonry works, more on welding works. And since nakatayo na yung poste, nag-uumpisa na kami mag-fabricate ng trusses. Pinipinturahan muna namin yung mga angle bars bago namin i-fabricate na trusses, and kapag na-fabricate na, pipinturahan ulit namin ng epoxy primer. And since this is only a function hall, iilan lang yung mga tao namin. Pero with strict monitoring kasi may hinahabol kaming time frame dito sa project. And that's all for now guys. Probably sa next visit namin, malapit na itong matapos. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos regarding our projects, you may follow me on TikTok and Facebook, and you may also subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Rainsworth TV. Thank you so much guys and God bless.